Inshallah, Imran Khan will be again the Prime Minister of Pakistan. He will win the election because more of half people are standing with him. If we think about Pakistan, these people are also standing with him, that the foreign people are also standing. If you think America is crying, America say that if Imran Khan will stand again in Pakistan, so this system will be reduced. Corruption will be reduced, slavery will be reduced. Because Imran Khan said that we are not the slave of America. We will do all those things what we have brings. We will work according to Islam, we will work according to law, and we will give punishment to those people who have eaten and who are corrupted in the country.
जज हुमायूं दिलावर जिन्होंने इमरान खान का केस सुना, गोशा खाना वाला केस इमरान खान के खिलाफ 81 सफ़ात पर मुश्तमिल 1 घंटे के अंदर सुनाया, क्या समझते हैं इसके पीछे कौन सी ताकतें थी जिन्होंने 1 घंटे के अंदर फैसला सुनाया और अगले ही 10 मिनट में इमरान खान को लाहौर से गिरफ्तार कर लिया?
When they said these things, when they suggested against Imran Khan, they wanted to remove Imran Khan from Pakistan. They would not like to establish his government because he wanted to improve Pakistan. He wanted to give it development and to take it on the pathway of success. He wanted to give it protection. He wanted to give more and more popularity to the Pashtun people. He said to the people that you are nowadays in the lack of education, you are nowadays in the lack of health, you are nowadays in the lack of economy. So that they removed Imran Khan from Pakistan. Inshallah, Imran Khan will come again when these people will support him. If these people are not support him, other country people are also supporting him.
आप पाकिस्तानी कौम को क्या पैगाम देंगे जो इमरान खान की गिरफ्तारी पर निकले ने?
I am giving this message to the entire Pakistan people that kindly come out of your homes. Because Imran Khan, who was a sincere leader of Pakistan and wanted protection for Pakistan and wanted Pakistan to become the popular country of the world. So he is nowadays arrested, he is in the jail. If you people will not come out, otherwise these people will not give you protection. You will be killed at home and your children will be killing on the roads. They will have neither education, they will have neither school, they will have neither college. And these people will be in the lack of economy, these people will be in the lack of politics. All the people should to come and collectively say about Imran Khan that why Imran Khan is being arrested innocently.
अब सूरत हाल ये है, मैं अब एक सवाल आपसे दोबारा करूँगा कि जिस जज ने इमरान खान के ख़िलाफ़ फ़ैसला सुनाया वो जज लंदन रवाना हो गए हैं और जिस इंस्पेक्टर जनरल ने इमरान खान को बनी गाला से निकालकर लाहौर रहने पर मजबूर किया वो इंस्पेक्टर जनरल इस्लामाबाद छोड़कर आईजी अकबर नासिर खान इस्लामाबाद छोड़कर दुबई चले गए हैं। जिस जज ने इमरान खान के ख़िलाफ़ फ़ैसला सुनाया वो लंदन चले गए और जिस आईजी ने इमरान खान को बनी गाला से जाने पर मजबूर किया वो जो है वो दुबई चले गए। इस पर आप क्या कहें?
As you know that these people are all on the wrong side. They have decided very wrongly they don't know about the reality. When they brings to the law, when they give us the law, they will say that it is reality. Imran Khan is on the right side of the country. He wants protection for these people. Whenever they decided on wrong side and they say that Imran Khan is nowadays corrupt, Imran Khan has stolen some things, Imran Khan is on the wrong side of Pakistan. Why did they not suggest it at that time when the country was going to be sold on India? Nawaz Sharif gave aid to India. Nawaz Sharif wanted to give Kargil to India. But at that time, people did not say some things to them. But Imran Khan said to them that Pakistan is my country. I will protect it. I will give it respect. And these people will be not the slave of America anymore. But these people will be the real leader of Pakistan in the coming time. Everybody will have the right to say and to ask about the judge and to ask about their right that they say that why we are being killed, why our education is not present, why our health is not present. So Imran Khan was the real leader and Pakistan, this kind of people are not possible to stay and stay over and over.
आखिरी सवाल आपसे, इमरान खान कहते हैं कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर ह्यूमन राइट्स की वायलेशंस हो रही हैं, आप इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स को क्या पैगाम देंगे?
I am giving a message to the entire world that there is no human rights. I am also the speaker of English. I am working in Islamabad and I am searching the jobs. But there is no jobs for me. When the people look at me, they say that you are nothings. But during the Imran Khan government, the people were giving protection to each other. When we went to the foreign country, they said that these are real Pakistani. Because Imran Khan did a very honorable speech in the words. He said that Pakistan is also connected in the economy of the world. If you don't give them right, if you don't give them value, so then these people will protest it. Nowadays, Imran Khan is arrested. Why? Because he wants to reduce corruption. He wants to say to the people that don't eat the rights of each other. Our farmers are being killed, poor are being killed, our homes are being destroyed. Before Imran Khan, there was no wrong side connection. There was neither blasting, there was neither killing. Nowadays, look at the condition of KPK. Every person is being killed. Every person are destroying. Mosques are destroying. And the masjid, there are being blasting. There is no one to ask about them.
आपने बताया कि आप एक पढ़े लिखे जवान हैं, आपको नौकरी नहीं मिल रही है, आप जॉब की तलाश में हैं। मुझे ये बताइएगा, आप सबसे पहले अपना मुकम्मल तारुफ, अपनी एजुकेशन के बारे में और अपना अपने बारे में कुछ थोड़ा सा बता दें ताकि आपको ढूंढना आसान हो।
My name is Asmat. I belong to KPK. I am a pre-nationals man. I have completed matric, but Alhamdulillah, with the matric I have completed diploma of the English. I want to be the real leader of Pakistan in the coming time, but now I want to do some work and to earn money for my family, because nowadays we are in the lack of money. In this country, I am working here and there. I have seen so many people that they have neither education nor they are able, but they are sitting on some great poster. This question was not acceptable in Imran Khan government. Imran Khan said to them that those people will be the leader, those people will be the greatest people who have education, who have ability. But nowadays, ability is not necessary in Pakistan. There is the need of money. When you give them money, they will give you job. When you don't give them money, they will not give you job. So I request to the entire world that kindly stand against Imran Khan and say that this is the cruel, this is the violence, we don't accept it. I am saying that whenever they captured Imran Khan, so they did a great violence because he is innocently, they should to remove him from the jails because he has not done anything so bad. He wanted to protect Pakistan from the against country, and he want to improve its economy. So it is my questions to the publics and to the police who have captured him.
इमरान खान की गिरफ्तारी पर लोग बाहर क्यों नहीं निकले इस दफ़ा?
As we know that at the first time whenever they captured Imran Khan, so the people protested and the government gave them very hard punishments. So now they are not going to come out from their home because they have known about the punishment what has been given them by the police in the past.
इमरान खान का कसूर क्या था, क्यों गिरफ्तार किया गया उसे?
At that time, Imran Khan said some things against the scholars. Maybe it was some wrong problems, but the government did not clear it to him. People are saying that he was corrupt human. Some people say that he has stolen watches. Some people say that he have kept the money of the teachers of Pakistan in his pocket, but it is not the reality.
इमरान खान को तोशा खाना केस के अंदर गिरफ्तार किया गया है घड़ी चोरी के इल्ज़ाम में, और उनके ऊपर 81 सफ़ात पर मुश्तमिल फ़ैसला सुनाया गया है कि इमरान खान ने घड़ी चोरी किया है, और ये फ़ैसला बड़ी जल्दी के अंदर सुनाया गया। इस पर आप क्या कहें?
I am saying that this problem is not connected to the country economy's value, so that Imran Khan should to be removed from the jails because he has not done any bad work. If he has done this work, so therefore they should to bring the witness and to show him that you have done this work in reality, or if you haven't done this work. So it is not the bad and it is not the worst things. When we want to improve some establishments of state and take it towards to the economy of the country, so then we should to encourage him. This is not so problem, as we know that in the first time other party people were stealing great things. They were the thieves, they were the robbers, and they have stolen all those things which were good for the country. But at that time nobody said that they are corrupt, they are doing so. But whenever Imran Khan did so, maybe he has not done, he has kept these things in the treasure of the country, but the people are blaming him innocently. So it is not the good question.
आप क्या समझते हैं, नवाज शरीफ साहब वापस आएंगे पाकिस्तान, और जो मौजूदा हुकूमत है उन्होंने इमरान खान को अंदर क्यों किया?
They want to remove Imran Khan from the Pakistan, and they want to establish the old system what they had established. But this system will be not possible for them because Imran Khan is the reality and he is the real leader. He will bring positive changes in the society and he will give a real ships to Pakistan. And the people who are innocently killed, they will be protected.
पाकिस्तानी इस्टेब्लिशमेंट कहती है हम सियासत से बहुत दूर हैं, इस पर आप क्या कहें?
We are far away from the political system of Pakistan because we have collected all the corrupt people. When someone is stealing something, so there is no law for him. When someone is killing someone, there is no law for him. But nowadays Imran Khan, when he wanted to bring positive changes in the society, the people came to him and he arrested him. So this question is not good to us. If we are doing so, we will be in decline so soon.
आपको लगता है इमरान खान दोबारा इलेक्शन में हिस्सा ले सकेंगे?
Inshallah, he will take participation in the election because more than half people are standing with him firmly, and inshallah Imran Khan will be the leader again of Pakistan and he will show himself to the entire world.
शहबाज शरीफ चौथी दफ़ा वज़ीर आज़म बनना चाहते हैं। शहबाज शरीफ चाहते हैं एक दफ़ा फिर उन्हें खिदमत करने का मौका दिया जाए ताकि वो कौम की खिदमत कर सकें।
As you know, they have taken aid instantly. They are doing the government on Pakistan over and over. They have not known the reality that what is going to be done. But Imran Khan wanted to make the Pakistan more modern and to connect it to the economy level of the world. Nowadays, if Nawaz Sharif and Shehbaz Sharif brings governments on Pakistan, so the Pakistan is going to be destroyed and it will divide into many parts. So that they should not be doing government. Either Imran Khan should be the Prime Minister of Pakistan. If Imran Khan is not the Prime Minister of Pakistan, so then they should to bring presidential यानी पार्लिमानी निज़ाम in Pakistan.
आगे मुस्तकबिल क्या देख रहे हैं इमरान खान का? आपको लगता है दोबारा वज़ीर आज़म बन सकेगा?
Inshallah, he will be again the Prime Minister of Pakistan because his effort is so great that his effort is being shown in the sky. His effort is being shown in the